test here. So what I want to do right now is I actually want to go ahead and update. I want to update this in order to make it sicker. Okay, so how am I going to make it sicker? Well, I'll tell you here in a second. Let me just go ahead and tell AI, go ahead and tap that like if you are here live. What I want to do here in this RBI or multi, I want to get so I didn't read that PDF file for the strategy. So if I put it on the ideas.txt and as a PDF, it will pull in that PDF. It will go ahead and print out what's in that PDF so we can make sure it's good, debugged. And then it will go ahead and send that prompt to the idea guy and make the actual idea for the back tester. So essentially, instead of just having a text prompt, we can put in a PDF like a paper. I want to do the same thing for videos. You'll have to transcript for that video, and then that will be the thing we'll print out and send as the first prompt for the research AI that will go ahead and make the strategy. So essentially, we don't have to change much except add those two readers in here. So if it sees as a PDF or a YouTube, it will do two separate processes. This is working great now. I used to have it working in the past. So you can go ahead and check out our RBI agent to see how I had it working in the past. The thing is YouTube tends to change things and the PDF readers may not work anymore. So what I want you to do is go ahead and before you build this in, I want you to build a script to make sure that you can get the full text from the PDF and the full transcript from the YouTube. I'll go ahead and put two sample links here. Go ahead and ask me any questions you have. Build that script. Make sure you can actually get the text and the transcripts. And then let's step on the Gatsby. Okay, so let me go ahead and give her a paper. So the process I follow every single day is I'm either researching, backtesting, or implementing. So let's go here and say, how do you find papers? Well, you go to Google Scholar here. And Google Scholar is going to have plenty of papers on trading strategies, mean reversion, strategy. Mean reversion strategy. Let's get it. Passive aggressive mean reversion strategy. Okay. Combining mean reversion and momentum. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab both of these papers. Let's see if I can download the PDF. I'm not going to be able to download all of them. They're not all free. Okay. That's actually downloading it. I don't want to do it that way. Accept all cookies. Okay. Is this a PDF? So some of these PDFs are hard to find. This isn't a PDF. So let's just open them up until we find a PDF that is usable. Okay, here's a no, that's not a PDF. You can see at the end. This one a PDF, bro? See, the PDFs are a little harder to find, son. They're a little harder to find. I don't know if she's going to be able to do it with this one, but let's go ahead and give her a couple. How about that? So the goal is for it to be able to take this off the internet. Okay, there's a PDF for sure. For sure. Okay, and then let's go ahead and find a couple of trading strategies here. And let's say trading strategy. I could get more in depth with that, of course. Okay, let's just go ahead and use this one for now because we're just testing this out. You can see she's still back testing for me below. So we're doing Doug Fizzles all day. Go ahead and tap the like. Let's go ahead and run it, bro. So first she should run the script in order to see if she can even get the information. What's up, fam? 777. Good to see you. Good to see you. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Beautiful day to be alive, gentlemen. Let's get it. Every single day. We here, we locked. Let's go. Fam, 777. Good to okay, so you can see here. Okay, perfect. I love the idea. Being able to read PDFs and YouTube videos directly in the strategy generator is huge. Let me break down the understanding and ask if you have any questions. I test the script. Okay, we'll do ideas.txt. Perfect. New flow. The ideas, the text type, PDF, YouTube, extract full text. Okay. What's up, LOL? What's up, Rico? What's up, Titus? If YouTube transcript print for debug. Okay, beautiful. Question: PDF format in ideas.txt. Should I put the PDF URL on the online? Yes. Or use momentum strategy from this paper, or just pull the URL alone. In ideas.txt, should I put the PDF URL on its own line like that? Yes. Use momentum strategy from this paper, or just the URL alone? I don't quite understand what you're saying by question number one, but we should. I would. So the way I'd be giving them to you is on ideas.txt, one line per one idea. So it might be a YouTube video, it might be a PDF, it might be a text. All right, I don't really know what you're trying to say in the first question, but at the end of the day, I'll put one line per one idea. So the idea could be a PDF, it could be a link like Arvex, it could be a YouTube video, it could be just an idea. Okay, let's go ahead and answer question number 2. YouTube format, same question, just a URL, or it'll just be the URL. It'll just be the URL for question 2. Okay, let's go ahead and say YouTube format, multiple PDFs. Can one strategy have multiple PDFs or videos? We'll do one PDF per strat. If it fails, we should pause and put a warning with a red background on CTerm and then sleep for 30 seconds so I can see the error, try to debug it, but then we'll keep on moving. All right, let's get it, son. Compacting conversation. It's time to jump then. Let's get it. Oh, my legs is burning, B. They're burning from yesterday. But that's the point. That's the point. I could barely walk yesterday. That's the point. So when she's compacting, I'm jumping. When she's working, I'm working. My calves ain't going to make it through the day, fam. They ain't going to make it through the day, but that's okay. That's okay, Rico. That's okay. We don't want them to make it. We don't want them to make it. We want to keep stepping on the gas, bro. So she working, I'm working, I'm jumping. I'm jumping when she's chilling. So compacting conversation. How y'all doing? Let's get it today. Let's get it every day. Let's get it every day. Yes, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Cheers, Rico. Compacting conversation. I'm jumping. Compacting. I'm jumping. Woo. Okay, so you can see that she's done here. She's done in the bottom. So all of those back tests are now done. Well, actually, maybe not. Maybe it looks like they're doing one more. Yeah, 10 out of 10 here. Okay, she's compacting. She's compacting. Let's get it, dude. Yeah, this is fire, bro. This is fire, fire, fire. So we got the agent going here. She is going ahead. She's back testing for us. You can see her down there. We got the other AI that is going ahead and building out our newest feature, which is adding the PDF, the YouTube, so it can read in ideas from YouTube's PDFs, whatever, dude. Wherever we are, we're always stepping on the gas because there's nothing else to do. Let's get it. All right, so you can see I'm using Grok 4 fast reasoning down below. But guess what, dude? All of this code is on GitHub for free. So if you are here, you're locked. I have a free GitHub for you. That free GitHub is in the description. Go ahead and hit the star on that GitHub so you can kind of bookmark it. Hit the fork on that GitHub and you'll go ahead and keep that code forever. Forever, dude. So if I ever crash out and I say, hey, I'm not doing open source anymore, you already got the code, dude. Let's get it. Okay, much love to you. Thank you for coming through. 777, dude. Let's get it. Throw the 777 in the chat so I know you're here. I want to see your name, dude. I want to see your name every day. I know Rico's here every day. Rico's locked every day. He's the most locked around here. Yes, he is. Let's get it, dog. Let's get it. Oh, I do have something I need to fix, actually. You can see in the background, my Polymarket scanner stopped. So why did it stop? I don't know. Actually, I do know. I saw it. It's a recursion thing. What's up, Olanado? Wishy? How you doing, bro? Wishy's locked. Guardian's locked. Rico's locked. Let's get it. 777. Thank you, fam. I see your sevens every day. I appreciate you. You motivate me. Let's get it. I'm getting my jumps in right now. I'm getting my jumps in. Then I'm going to go fix that bug on Polymarket. You can see she's still back testing here. She's got a goal of 50%, so she's not going to stop until she gets there. And this AI is super cheap. I know people ask all the time, how much are you paying for AI? Not much, man. Not much. But my not much might be different than your not much. So I do understand we're all in different parts of the world. Rodrigo's locked. Good to see you again, dog. How are you? 777. Yes, dude. All right, so now let's run the test script to verify the PDF and the YouTube extraction works. Okay. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. I'm still jumping, dude, of course. Of course. I'm doing the 1-2 right now. 1-2. How we get warmed up for the stream, baby. We get some jump rope in. All right, so you can see she's bashing. We got the AI running in the bottom left. Okay. Ideating. And I'm excited for this because this is a good feature. This is a good feature, dude, because now the AI is going to be able to read the YouTube video, see what's going on in there. And anytime I have an idea or a video I see that they have an idea, I can just go snatch it, see if it works. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did it work? Yes or no? I'll test against 25 different data sources. How about that? 25 different data sources. Yes or no? Based off a YouTube video. Okay. That's nice to me. Can you do that? Yes, you can. Because it's free in the GitHub. The GitHub's 100% free, dude. 100% free. The GitHub link is in the description. Hit that star. Hit that like on this video, though, for open source. If you guys keep hyping me up with the likes on the open source, I'll keep building open source. I'll keep pushing the new builds like today. Today's going to be a massive build, bro. Going to be a massive build. This is game changing. Being able to watch YouTube videos that have strategies. You know, there's too many strategies out there in YouTube videos. People are always talking about, oh, this and that, whatever. Okay, well, let's see if it works. Let's see if it works, dude. RBI agent on it. So if you go through the GitHub right now, you'll be able to see RBI agent PP multi. That's what I'm working on, and you have all the code for it. And you're going to have the updated code too, because I believe code's a great equalizer. Wall Street's never going to share this with you. I'm going to share it with you. So let's get it. Let's get it. So you can see it's working on the PDF extraction. It's doing the test. So I told it to make a test because I don't want it to try anything before it gets the test now, you know? So I like to do that. When I'm implementing a new feature, I say, oh, go build a script here to make sure that the main functionality, like getting the transcript from the video or the transcript from the PDF, make sure that main feature actually works. And then if it works, okay, now build it into my system. I don't know. That's just how I like to do it. What about you? What about you, dude? How do you do it? How do you do it? 8:47 a.m. Okay. Hey, Wishy, what time is it where you live, by the way? Because I know you're really close to me. I'm wondering if you have daylight savings or not. Because we do not. I think you're in the VR. I know you are, actually. I know that by now. Same time as me? So you don't do daylight savings? Okay. Us island boys. We some island boy. Excellent. Both are working. He said, nope. Nope what? He's not an island boy. He's an island boy. Island boy. All right, I'm sweating, dude. I've got a full-on sweat going. This has been going for a while, bro. No daylight. So yeah, I've been going for a while now. This AI is working me today, isn't it? I've been jumping for a while. My calves are gonna fall off. That's okay. Fall off then. Just prove it to me. Prove it to me. Prove it to me, dude. Fall off then. AI's working, I'm jumping. AI's working, I'm jumping. Come on, let's go. We got PDF 1, okay. PDF 2, perfect. YouTube, yep. Okay, we got all 3 of them, perfect. Good to catch the stream. What up, dude? How are you? I'm doing great, Samir. Thank you. Good to see you, dog. Good to catch the stream. I want to get the course, but currently out of time. Right now, I'm learning Python by myself and already a couple of algos myself. Nice, dude. Well, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here. Glad you're here. I'm glad you're here, dude. Whether you get the course or not, it doesn't matter to me. Much love. He's learning himself Python. Okay, he's already got a couple of algos myself, but have to nothing to write home about. Happy day, happy life. Good to see you, bro. Doesn't matter if you guys join the course or not. I'm here. I'm stepping on the gas. That's just a little side thing that where I put all of my actual teaching. You know, I'm not a teacher, but you guys wanted me to be a teacher, so I put the boot camp together and I taught, and they say I'm a good teacher. Okay, thanks. Appreciate it. But I'm an algo trader running, chasing Jim Simons. So never any pressure to join the boot camp. Never any pressure. Of course, when there's a sale, though, you know, you got your chance, but there's no sale anymore. Much love to you. Let's get it. How's Claude doing? She's doing good. She's working me today, though. She's working me today. I'm sweating like a mofo. Now I need to modify process trading idea parallel to use the extraction function. Okay, perfect. My dog's like, chill, Moon, chill. You jumping too much. You shaking the house, Moon. Chill. I said, no way. You know, she working, I'm working. She working, I'm jumping, and she's taking a long time for this one. That's okay. We got Claude all day. Claude all day, dude. Let's get it. 777, I'm sweating. I'm pouring sweat right now. Come on, jump with me. Jump with me. I swear, this is gonna be, we're gonna get so fit off this stream, dude. We're gonna get so fit, our minds fit, our bodies fit, we fit. Let's get it. It's an AI jumping stream now. Every time she's working, I'm working. She working, I'm jumping. I do have something else I need to do, but I'd also want to get this little workout in here at the start. Ah, man. I feel good today, baby. It's a good day to be alive. Let's get it every day. It's a good day to be alive, gentlemen. Come on, lock in. It's Debbie. Good to have you here, Debbie. Good to have you here, Samir. Wishy, let's get it, boy. 777 Rodrigo, Rico, the Guardian. We got all the fam in the chat today. And I'm still jumping because she's taking hella long. I'm sweating. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it, but I will. You can see the RBI agent that is free and open source is finished its 10 different tests now. So she went ahead and back tested 10 different things, dude. And guess what? That would have taken me a day per test. So that's just, I just showed you what, in 20 minutes? Holy moly, that was a hell of a jump too. God damn. Woo, boy, I'm sweating. I gotta stretch those calves out now, dude. I got this angle board right here. My coding setup is my workout setup, dude. Let's get it. Damn, the air conditioning is on too. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see here, dude. Okay, so what was done? Perfect. Let me create a final summary showing all the changes. Okay. I did have a pop-up here, so let me go ahead and get that pop-up going. My backtesting agent can now watch videos and read papers in order to backtest any strategy, new strategies. This is revolutionary, because there are unlimited videos and papers to read, but not enough time to read them. So now AI just does it for me and finds the profitable strategies. All right, let's go ahead and throw that up there. So I got another agent here that's working. And what she's doing is taking any good parts of this stream and making them short videos. So that's pretty clean, you know? Let's go ahead and see what she said. It was done. The PDF and extraction integration complete. So the location here, scripts, okay, successfully tested PDF, okay. Tested all three, 2 PDFs plus 1 YouTube, okay. Added that for PDF extraction, getting the transcripts there. Okay. Integrated in the REI agent, added 4 extraction functions, okay, to auto extract URLs, thread safe colored, perfect, created documentation, okay, test results, PDF, okay. It got the RVix one, beautiful. Got the YouTube, yes. 3 out of 3 tests. In ideas.txt, you can now put the full, you can put the PDF URL, beautiful, put the YouTube URL, and then you can also have regular text, okay. The agent will detect the URL type, extract full content, print extraction progress with character counts, pass to research AI, continue normal backtest. Okay, let's get it. My AI swarm took 20 minutes to backtest what would have taken me 10 days. 10 backtests in 20 minutes. Nuts. Nutsies. Okay, dude, let's go ahead and post that, and then let's go ahead and test this out here. So let's go ahead and get those. I think I got them right here. Let's just go ahead and test these. I'm gonna put that one in there. Okay, and then I saw this RVix one actually worked, and I'm surprised that it did, to be honest. So let's try it. Okay, let's go to our ideas.txt here and put in that first one here. And then we'll go ahead and put this one. I know that one will work because it ends in a PDF. My dog is licking my ankles. I'm sweating so much. She's licking my ankles. I'm sweating so much, dude. Copy link address. Okay, let's go. We got 3 new ideas here. Let's see if they work. All right, and I'll push this to GitHub if they do. The GitHub is free on GitHub. Link in the description. Okay, so you can see idea 0, 1. So it's the, okay, so new idea, new idea, new idea. Okay. It says 3 active. Grok response received. Okay. Deep belief. Paramic. Reversion. And vortex breakout. I wanted to print out, let's say this. I want to make sure that this is working. Okay, that's gonna go. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. Let's do this little trick I got here. Option, what was it? Option. What I want to test that script out because I want to see. Can you make sure that the script that we're testing with prints out the full transcripts of each of them so I can just like double check that this all works? Okay, thanks. Let's peep game on what's going on in the market here today. Looks like things were crazy last night, yesterday, and looks like a little bit of relief. All right, now let's test the script to see the full transcripts and PDFs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Razzmatazing. Oh shit, I gotta be jumping. She's razzmatazing. I gotta be jumping, dude. Come on. Come on. We ain't taking breaks. No way. Getting my work in today. So test the extraction. Okay. Now let's run the script. Okay. Show the full transcripts of each. Okay. Want to make sure that those transcripts are working perfectly before I deploy it and say it's good to go. Before I deploy it and say it's good to go, let's get it, dude. He's still jumping. What? Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. The test script is now printing the full transcripts. Okay, perfect. All extractions complete, full text. Okay, you can say run this. Let's go ahead and try it then. Where is it? It says it's in scripts Python. Scripts. Scripts here. And then we're going to go here to test PDF. Test PDF. Where are you, little? Where you at? Why is this in the dash? Why is it here? Why did you put this here? Put it in our scripts folder here in this directory. That's crazy, bro. What the hell? Why is it in the MoonDev dashboard? So let's say relative path here. That's so weird. All right, run it back. Come on, jump with me. Jump with me. Jump with me. Why not? Why not, dude? Why not? Let's go. Yo, good evening, OMG. Crazy this evening time. Where do you live? You gotta finish the rides here before Carnival. Okay. Trying to make bank this December. Into January, I'm working on the payouts. All right, bro. Good for you. Fire, fire, fire. He's building an Uber. He's building his own Uber, dude. What are you building? What you building? Oh, Leonardo building his own Uber. $777, Rich. All right. Let's keep this jumping going. Generating, yeah, I'm jumping. She generating, I'm jumping. This is actually beautiful. Because every day, I'm gonna be getting fitter and fitter with these jumps, dude. I'm probably doing thousands of jumps a day. Could barely walk at the end of this. That's good though. All right, so you can see perfect. The packages are installed. Beautiful. Verify everything's in the right place, please. Thank you. Richard, much love to you. 777. Good to see you. Generating. Okay, so perfect. Now everything's in the right place. Let's get it, dude. Let's see these transcripts. I want to make sure that they're correct, bro. Okay, so it's getting one. First one. Let's see it. Let's see it. Be it. Let's put a sleep in between. Status. Print. All right, it's just faster. Go ahead and put a 15-second sleep in between each print of the transcripts. It's just faster than me trying to look for the code, dude. I swear I know how to code. I swear. I swear, bro. I swear. I swear, dude, I know how to code. I swear. $903. Okay, okay, okay. Richie's in here. Richie and Wishy's in here. Rico. How's Claude doing today? She's doing good. Oh, why am I not jumping? What the hell? Come on, bro. She working, I'm working. She working, I'm working. Let's get it. All right, here we go. So now it sleeps. Okay, perfect. Just make sure these transcripts are looking good. Okay, so here's the first one. Oh, I need more than 15 seconds with my boomer self here. Damn, dude. Damn, that's a lot. Non-stationary. Which one was this? Yeah, okay, this is it. Looks like this one failed. The YouTube one failed. Shorty, it looks like the YouTube one failed, so we need to fix it in the script here. And then once we fix it in the script, then we could go back to the agent. But let me go ahead and see it actually works in the script. Go ahead and put that as the first test URL so we can get to the money fast. Because the other two work great. Thanks. All right, whip it up. Grab the balls and start jumping. Grab the balls and start jumping, dude. All right, so she's glittifying, gitifying. I think for the first hour of my stream, I'm jumping every single time I do a prompt because then that'll equate to a lot of jumps. So I don't know how long it's been, 30 minutes. First hour, all jumps. I don't know if I can make it to 4 hours yet. I'll work my way up to it. Jumping the whole 4 hours. Okay, here we go. Fixed it. Perfect. Let's go ahead and try it. No dice, fam. Please fix, baby girl. Jump it. Jump with me. Jump with me. Let's jump to the moon, dude. Let's jump to the moon, Bill. How are you? What's the general overhead for running multiple APIs? They have a token limit or is returned? Nah. I don't think there's I think there is a limit. Like there's a million contexts, but I haven't run into a limit. Like paying wise, you can pay however much you want, but it's not too expensive. I'm using Grok from XAI, super cheap. Hope that answered your question, Billy. All right, perfect. I've added much better. Okay. Trying English transcript, trying it auto-generated. All failed, huh? That's cap. It all failed again. Maybe we can use a different library. Run it. You're welcome, Bill. All failed again. We can use a different library. And let's keep jumping. Okay, good idea. Let's try this one. You already have it installed and it's more reliable. I don't know why you'd use the unreliable one, to be honest, but that's okay. We're going to keep jumping. You think you're getting ahead on me, AI. You think putting me in these little loops is hurting me. No way. I'm hurting you because I'm jumping, dude. I'm jumping to the moon. I'm going to keep jumping to the moon too. Every time you come here, if I'm not jumping, please tell me to start jumping. Keep my energy up. Yes. All right, perfect. I switched. Let's get it. Yeah, Grok from XAI. API, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can see the little bugger. Let's keep on going, girl. Come on. Come on. You can see the little bugger. Come on. Little bugger. Little bug. Little bug. All right, let's do a little 1-2. Left, right, left, right. Oh, yeah. Make sure to pick the feet up. Make sure to pick the feet up, dude. Keep those feet coming up. Yep. All right. All right. All right. All right. So here we go. Multiple formats. Let's get it. No dice, bro. Still no dice, bro. Keep it jumping. Keep it jumping. She got this. I think she's got this because I have it somewhere else. Matter of fact, I should just go figure out where or which one I'm using now. Because if I figure out which one's working, then I can just send it to her. But we'll see if she can figure it out. I'll get her 1-2 more tries. All right, now I'm letting the DLP do the heavy lifting. Extraction error. Looks like we're getting closer. Let me go ahead and pull up my server because I have this working already. Okay, so let's pull up that server. Let's go over to server here. Forgot to show you this today, so let me go ahead and show you it. Get this out of here, bro. Creative Cloud. Nonsense. So read this, please. Thanks. Thank you very much. While I log into my server, my Super Sketch login. Can't show you my password. Okay, I'm back. She says she fixed it with a new thing, but nope, no dice. All right, looks to be broken still, but I'm going to get it fixed because I have an actual example. What are we using in this one? Because this seems to be working. So try this. All right, let's see if this works first. Maybe she fixed it. Probably not, but failed. The one you just set didn't work. But I'm pretty sure this API works. So try that out. Jump it. Compacting conversation. Okay. This is going to be a long jump, dude. It's a long jump. That's it. Okay. That's okay, dude. You got a compact right now. I don't know why. It's too early to compact, but you got a compact. I got to jump. That's it. It's a great rule, bro. It's a great rule. And I got something else I got to update here in a second, but first hour of the stream, I'm not doing 2 times. No way. I'm locking in. Health is wealth, baby. Health is wealth. Compacting conversation. I can feel the abs working with these jumps, dude. 6-pack coming back. 6-pack coming back. Compacting Convo. You got questions? Let me know. I'm in the chat. 777 to you, dude. What are we using in this one? Because it's working. Compacting Conversation. That's what she said. Like, damn. Okay. 7 packs, baby. Let's get a 7-pack. I like it, Black. I'm working on that 7-pack coming soon. Okay, here we go. See what we're using in that. She marinating. She thinking. She used how the tokens. Good. 100 seconds. Okay. Let me do some cooler jumps here. I wish you could see me right now. This jump I'm doing. It's like left leg, right leg behind me, left leg in front of me, then switch back. It's kind of like a dance move. I'm kind of dancing on y'all right now. I'm kind of dancing. Everybody depressed right now, and I'm dancing. That boy dancing, one-footed. Yeah, let's get it. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Another day, another dollar. Another day to jump to the moon. Let's get it. You walking, I'm jumping. You sitting, I'm jumping to the moon, baby. Let's go. Come on, be grateful. Grateful to be here. 777, keep love in your heart. You can have anything in this world, dude. I promise you. Anything in this world. It's not going to be easy, no. Nothing's going to be easy, but we don't want easy. Hard equals good. Hard equals good. Let's get it. And I'm running out of breath, but that's okay. That's the point. That's the point. You know, the reason I show you guys how to do all this stuff, it's accountability. Guess what? I'm here every single day. Guess what? I didn't know how to code before either. So what? Okay. 4 hours a day. 4 hours a day. Let me just go ahead and learn how to code. Okay, I know how to code now. I got bots running. Okay, perfect. Now what? Am I just going to stand here and keep showing you everything? Yes. But I want to up it. I want to make it harder. I want to make life harder. So how am I making it harder? I'm making sure that every time this AI is running, I'm jumping. She running, I'm jumping. Getting a different error now. Let me check. Install version of the transcript API. Okay. You go ahead and do that. I see now. 1.2.3. It may have changed. Let me update the function to use the correct API version. Said I'm a girl, not a dude, but thanks for the shout out. You're welcome. I called you Debbie. I called you Debbie, but my bad, bro. You could be a bro too. Come on, it's non-gender times, girl. Don't matter what you are, guy, girl, whatever. I'm saying love to all y'all. I don't care if you a man, a woman, in between, whatever. I love everybody. And I'm grateful that you are stepping on the gas with or without me. 777. We all got the same blood. That's all that matters. You can do anything I can do, but you can do it better. I don't care where you're from. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's why I show this, dude. I don't care if you're in sub-Saharan Africa. If you know how to code, you can build a life for yourself and your family. Let's get it. Let's get it. And you can have a 7-pack too, Debbie. You can have a 7-pack as well. I'm doing a little crisscross. Since Debbie's in the chat, I'm doing a little hopscotch. Yeah, let's do a little hopscotch jump. Yeah, Debbie, let's go. Come on. I'm doing a little hopscotch. I'm sweating like a mofo. This is AI workout. The first and only AI workout. Come on, AI. You're making me tired. Let's go. Speed up now. I need your help. I need your help. Debbie in the chat with me. She pushing me today. Let's get it. I see the API has fetch, has list methods, get transcript. Okay. Let me check the correct usage. Perfect. Now let me test the full flow. Okay. Let's go ahead and test the full flow now. Let's go ahead and test it, baby. Let me check what attributes the transcript snippets have. Okay. Oh yeah, we cutting. We cutting, baby. We cutting. She running, I'm jumping. I'm dancing on her. Let's go, Debbie. Dance with me. You working out? I'm jumping. She's running, I'm jumping. I'm jumping, baby. I'm jumping. I haven't stopped jumping this whole time. I'm hopscotching on her. I'm doing a little jump rope without jumping. Jump rope without the rope, dude. I'm tired, baby. I'm tired. It's a good day to be alive, though. It's a good day to be alive. We can have anything. Perfect. Let me run the test now with the correct API. Okay, you do that, and I keep dancing on them, honestly. Woo! It's hard. It's hard, that workout, dude. Thus sounds. My bad. Yeah. I mean, I'm definitely not sitting here fucking. So, you know that breath is from working out. Oh, God. 777. I hope he's working out. Go up that hill, max difficulty. I wish I had a treadmill. That'd be dope. I'm just jumping. I'm just jumping. I'm jumping for joy because it's a beautiful day. I woke up today. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Oh, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. She's been going for 412 seconds. That means I've been jumping for 412 seconds. Success. Let's get it. That's what we do, baby. Success. Success. And thank God, because I was getting a little tired. So what the hell? What you mean, success? How you say that? Yo, bro. What you mean success when I run it, it shows me this. Dancing while AI is working. Best advice in the world. Absolutely. I'm sweating. Is this test PDF YouTube extraction? We jumping. John's in here again. Good to see you, bro. Debbie says sus sounds. You know what's sus, Debbie? You know what's sus is you haven't been in the gym today. You know what's sus? Is that I'm jumping and you sitting. That's sus. Get it. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. Break a sweat. Have fun. Have fun. It's a great day to be alive, gentlewomen. Ladies, it is a good day to be alive. Dancing to the AI. Yeah. I'm dancing to the AI. 1 foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, left, left, left. Right, 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 left, 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 right, right, right. It's 7 a.m. your time? Okay, okay. It is a great day to be alive. Thank you, Debbie. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. She said 7 a.m. Currently at work. We'll jump on the bike at lunch. Okay. You better, don't let me down now. I want to hear you tomorrow say, that bike was nice. Let's get it. All right. So she said, I fixed it. Okay. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and see if you really fix it. What the hell? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna get through this. I know it. Okay, you can see that it still actually has that same error. How did you get the success earlier? If like, were you lying? Like, were you lying? Pollinating. I'm sweating. You pollinating? I had to pee a few minutes ago, but I'm sweating so much I ain't had to pee anymore. You're right to call me out, Moondev. Let me test the exact code that's in the script right now. Yeah, what the hell were you using? Wait, that's weird. The instance does have fetch and list methods. Let me test that script right now. Okay. Go ahead. She said, will do, don't worry. All right. I believe you. I believe you. I believe you'll be on that bike. Okay. I believe you. I believe you. Let's go. Let's go. Pollinating. Pollinating. I'm jumping. Okay, we got a little ETH liquidation here. Okay. What time is it? 9:22. Okay, she must be in the Midwest then. She's in the Midwest. She's in Chicago, Chi-Town. Don't forget to do your NPXCC usage below 1K. You're lazy. For real, dude. I don't even look at that anymore because I'm embarrassed. Ever since they released Sonnet 4.5, you know, I was flexing on them for a while using Opus 4.1. But once they released Sonnet 4.5, they said it's better than Opus. So my class has gone way down. I am sleeping on them. I actually downgraded to the $100 plan the other day, but then I had to upgrade yesterday back up because I guess I'm not sleeping too hard. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Okay, Moondev, it's working perfectly now when I run it. Clear the cache files. This code is definitely correct. Bro, how is it correct? I don't understand how it's correct. How do I go ahead and delete the cache then? That's weird. Seems like it's still when I run it, it shows this. I gotta take a whiz. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I'll be right back. All right, so test YouTube simple. Okay. Let's go ahead and test YouTube simple here. Where the hell is that is? Where is that? Test YT. Where is that file? Yo, when you're doing voice to chat, are you using built-in Claude or is it something else? It is Whisper Flow. Come on, blood, put that in the scripts file. All right, let's go test it. All right, you can see the error here. Maybe it's the video. Nah. Let's see if I can get the script somewhere else. I'm wondering why he uses Dropbox in 2015. I mean, you don't use Dropbox? Number one algo podcaster. Appreciate you, fam. There's got to be some way to do this because I just went to a website and it works. But what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and I want you to iterate through this and just keep testing until you get it right. Nobody uses Dropbox? Well, I guess I'm nobody then because I freaking love Dropbox. What the hell? What do you use then? That's my question. V and Blackfish. Yo, Jimmy, how you doing, dude? I'm doing well. Thank you. Titus says, can you use configurable variables for the path to file? In your code, we see your Mac path structure and your Dropbox. Easier to put path in configuration file. Okay, that's a smart idea. I can do that. I can definitely do that. But you can see my path. I don't care if you see my path. I'm a Dropbox guy. I just like to put my stuff up there so you can have the opportunity to hack me. You know, just a. They said nobody uses Dropbox too, so I need a fun Dropbox. I got like multiple Dropbox. I pay for at least 2 Dropbox, maybe 3. And I got the extra version. Local NAS or just a USB drive, like Blackfish. You can't call me out for using Dropbox and then say you use a USB drive. You can't do that, dude. That's illegal. That is illegal. Johnny uses Google Drive. Okay. Google Drive's trash too, unfortunately. I think Dropbox is the way. It's the way of the future. He uses a USB drive. We don't even have USB anymore. Oh gosh, dude. Can't even plug that into my computer without an adapter. And I'm still jumping. That's old AF USB drive. Debbie don't even know what a USB drive is. That's so old. Blackfish unk for show. He unk for show. You're welcome, Titus. My pleasure. The local NAS can have an open folder and drop it on an INI9T. Yeah, you expired, bro. You expired with that local stuff. We use the cloud these days. I'm still jumping. I said first hour. I'm jumping the entire time. You don't like Microsoft? Okay, so try running it again with that one, huh? That felt good. There we go. Oh! We got it, man. You can see I have a 3-step formula. I've tested thousands of times. Okay, let's see what it says over here. I have a 3-step formula. All right, we got this, man. Let's get it. Come on, lock in, dude, lock in. All right, fam. So that one worked. So please go ahead and push that to, or put that in my RBI agent pp multi.py. Use that functionality, and then I'll go ahead and test it there as well. In that, make sure to print out the first 300 characters of the transcript of the YouTube video and the PDFs when going through, just so I can make sure that it's working correctly. All right, I'm jumping. I know it's past an hour, but I'm still jumping because why wouldn't I? I want this to stream. I want it to be so beneficial to you and I. How can I do that? Well, I can just work on the hardest thing of the day. And while the AI is working on it for me, I'm holding my balls and I'm jumping. That's it. That's it. Because then I'll get at least, I don't know, 30 minutes of jumping in a day. And they say 10 minutes of jumping is like 30 minutes of running. So I'm in the air conditioning, chilling. This ain't hard, dude. It's hard, but it ain't that hard. All right, so now she's implementing it into the RBI agent here. So it should work. And I'll test it with a bunch of videos here in a second. And then I'll upload it to the GitHub. The GitHub is free in the link in the description. You just got to go there, hit the star, hit the fork, get the code, step on the gas. Let's go. Okay, so you can see here, she should now be in there. Okay. Test simple, she deleted it. Okay. Woo! Ideas.txt. Let's go ahead and put this one up first. Actually, let's go ahead. Paste that one in. Okay. And then let's go find some other ideas here of YouTube. Copy link ID. Okay. Copy link ID. Okay. Copy link ID. The guy's an idiot, by the way. Literally, if I ever see this guy in Puerto Rico, I will smack him in the mouth. So quick, dude. The biggest idiot in the world. But he does it on purpose. He does it on purpose. I get that. Still, I'm gonna smack the snot out of his face when I see him out here. I swear to God. I swear, dude. I swear, bro. I swear. Okay, that's probably good for now. Let's just start this up. Okay, loading environment variables, yada yada, API. Okay, so start a new idea. Okay, perfect. What's up, everyone? Okay, we got it. So you can see it's printing out the first characters here. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. My backtester agent Swarm is now able to watch any YouTube video and code backtest. Mama, we made it. Mama, we made it. Mama, we made it. We really made it. We really made it. I'm going to go ahead and push this to GitHub now. So you can have it. So you can have it. You can have it all. Okay, you can see she's running now. So that's beautiful. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, you can see it says this, says that. Okay. Shows the actual transcript being in there. Okay. All right. So can you briefly tell me what the fix was and how you did it? Because I want to update it here. And tell me the exact package. I want to use it in my other AI as well. Thank you. Okay, so now I want to go to the Discord real quick. Do I need an agentic AI in order to use your GitHub? What do you mean? Like, do you need to be using Claude Code? You don't have to be using Claude Code, but I think it's easier. You don't need any agentic anything because the whole GitHub is agents. It's 20 plus agents. Okay, so let's go here and say, if we go to, let's see if this works still. Looks like it's still working, so let's go ahead and try to put a video in there. Fetch. Okay, so we had an error here. So let's go to our we have an error in our current way we get the transcript for the backtester here in this file. So please use these notes here in order to update it. Thank you. Okay, let's say screen ls. Backtest Discord here. Screen R. So I've got something similar in my Discord for all members. If you're inside the bootcamp, you get access to the private members area. And what is the bootcamp? It's called Algo Trade Camp. And I show you step by step how to automate your trading in short, concise videos. While these videos on YouTube are longer, they're my live. So I'm just coding live, you know, so. So if you want short, concise, actual teaching videos, that's all here. And there's 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked. I don't care what your reason is. You want your money back, you get your money back. It's a 90-day Costco dog guarantee. It's a Costco dog guarantee, dude. Costco take anything back. Let's try this again here. So you put a video in. Please wait up to 5 minutes for O3 Mini to finish. Okay. Well, while she's doing that, I'm going to kill this and I'm going to push it to GitHub. Git add dot git commit /m. RBI agent updated to work with YouTube vids and PDFs. Git push. Okay, so that's beautiful. That's beautiful, dude. That's beautiful. Let's see if this has worked. Still working on it. You got 2 Costco's in France. That's it. Where do you live in France, by the way? That's cool. Francia. Oh yeah. For the YouTube thingy, you do use AI. You it grabs the transcript and then it uses AI to analyze it. So it does use AI. But if you want to use a local AI, you can. Just go over to the GitHub here. Let's go ahead and show you how to get to the GitHub and show you around. AI agents. GitHub. Moondev. There it is. Okay, so it should be up in here. Yeah, SRC updated the AI agents here. So agents here, scroll here, and then down here, this is the RBI agent that I just updated 1 minute ago. RBI agent PP multi. But you were talking about AI models. We got all the models in here, including local models if your computer's thick. You can use Ollama for local if you want. Failed to generate strategy. What's going on here? Looks like we got a little bit of an error here on the strategy output, but it was able to get the transcript, so it should be working fine. But it works great in this, so in the terminal. So that's awesome. That's awesome. Near Paris. Near the sea, going to the beach, remember? Oh yeah. Okay. That's cool. Just pop into the market, see what's going on there. I think the stock market's about to open. See what's going on pre-market here. Up 1.4% on Tesla. Up 0.54 on Nvidia. Okay, okay. Let me go ahead and fix this now. So we got this updated. This is working great. Let me close it for now. I've already pushed to GitHub. All of it's live and free on the GitHub. All right. All right, let's go ahead and update it then and make it a longer return period. Put it at 4-minute timeout. Okay, let's restart this here. Beautiful. Let's run that. Let's go ahead here to the poly market things. Okay, so I have this error in the sweeper dashboard. We've got this error in the sweeper dashboard, and we tried to fix it yesterday, and I thought we did. So we want to go ahead and make sure we have a foolproof way that this never happens again. Please fix it and then explain the error. I wonder if it's okay to put vinegar in your washing machine. Can you put vinegar in your washing machine with clothes in it, or is it going to ruin them? Short, concise. Nice, dude. Looky, dude. It did work this time on the strategy analysis on the AI backtester coder here. So it comes up with the strategy first, and then it'll code the backtest. Yeah, dude, let's get it. Come on, bro. We're locked. Are you locked? I was trying to experiment yesterday, effing around, and found out I copy your RBI agent architect, and oh boy, let's get it, dude. Let's get it, bro. I'm glad that's helpful. Oh god, the AI doing RM/RF remove, kind of scary. Mine did? Yeah, I have her on do anything for me. Fran says, "Hey Moondev, been watching your videos the last couple of days. Thank you for all the content. It has been amazing to learn. Hope to join your camp soon." Thank you, Fran. It's good to have you here. I'm glad it's been helpful. Much love. Yes, like white vinegar, not balsamic. I put balsamic in there, bro. I'm not you can't put balsamic in your white clothes? What the hell, dude? I didn't know that. Could you imagine, bro? Much love. That would be super good. Okay, so what was fixed? What was the error? Pandas recursion death spiral. Your expiring markets.csv had mixed types, float, strings, and nans in the end time. Okay. When Pandas tries to compare them, it went into an infinite recursion trying to figure it out. Okay. Well, let's see if it works first off. I mean, the thing is this problem won't work until later. I mean, happen until later. What I fixed, nuked the corrupted CSV, remove, expiring markets. I see what you're scared of. Bulletproof type conversions. Every time we read the CSV, drop invalids. Okay, great. So you can see here's our first sweep of the morning. He swept the yes on Will FC Barcelona win, I guess, on 25, whatever. FC Barcelona. So it's bulletproof, she says. Let's see if it's really bulletproof. The magic fix using dot values. Woo! Man. All right, the magic fix. Okay. Before, after, y dot values, auto recovery. Okay. Why it won't happen again. Type conversion at every step. Okay. Never trust the CSV data types. No way. Dot values for all comparison. Bypasses pandas recursion. Auto deletes corrupted files. Okay. And the crazy thing about this dashboard is it has been telling us exactly what to bet on. Pretty much. I mean, if you read between the lines, dude, like it told us about that New York guy that was getting hired as the whatever, the mayor or whatever. Woo! Rebel just for kicks, fam. I got the boot camp here if you want to see it. The GitHub here is free. Just go to type in Moondev AI agents, and you can have all of it. Just click the star and the fork in order to get all the code. Looks like the market's open in about 30 minutes from now, so that should be interesting. As we did have a big liquidation event yesterday, and it looks like we're up. What? How much from the bottom? 3%. Woo! I'm a rebel just for kicks, fam. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, the next thing I want to do here is I want to analyze one of my bots first off. So let me go ahead and do that. XPL. Didn't this get smoked over the last couple weeks? Crypto. Oh, it's up 27%. But I think it's down awfully bad. Yeah. Holy smokes, that's a bad trade. 80% in days. Okay, let's go to portfolio here. Track these numbers. Track the numbers. Bada bada ba. Okay, so let's go ahead and kill that one. Didn't do too well. But that's okay. That's part of the game. I don't expect them all to do well. Those extended walls. I want to go ahead and check in on my Solana dashboard. Go to iTerm here. Okay, so this is my Polymarket dashboard. And let's go ahead and find the Solana one. This is the Binance dashboard, but F Binance. Oh, here's my running thing. NPX usage. Don't know what the call is, so I'm not going to do it. Let's go ahead and run this Conda activate. T-flow. And then let's go ahead and say run it, found. Where is it? Okay, Solana trending. Let's say code dot. Dashboard 3, I believe. Copy path. All right, so this is a dashboard that I built in order to find me projects on Solana. I know the trenches are dead, but I'm not. I'm not dead. I'm here. I'm locked. Just saw that CPX usage. What is that call again, dude? For the CPX usage? Let me see if I can find it. You put it in here earlier. Oh, I actually got it over here on my notes. Claude cheat sheet here. NPX usage. It's just NPX usage or CC usage or whatever. NPX CC usage. You can see, dude. Oh my God. Yesterday? I didn't even code yesterday. What the heck happened? 80 cents? No, that can't be right. 11.4? I was locked yesterday, dude. 80 cents? What the heck did I do yesterday? I literally didn't do anything, clearly. Oh my God, that's embarrassing. My lowest day ever. What? I might as well just not have done anything yesterday. Okay, let's look at this dashboard for Solana. Okay, so high gain micro caps. Super gems, micro caps also above the 15-minute. Any of these look good? ATM. Lil Pepe. Gigamas. Giggle. All right, let's just see. Oh, Gigamus, like Christmas. Hard pull. Hard pull. Token metrics live. Shame on you. Seriously, dude. I'm shameful. I can't believe that. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself, dude. All right, so we got the YouTube slash PDF working. We got the Poly Market working. See if there's anything else on my must do ASAP list, or if I can just go ahead and step on the gas whichever way I want to go. Let's go ahead and check out the MoonDev dashboard real quick. Sign in with Discord. Keep scrolling, authorized. Authentication. Okay, back tests here. Okay, can I still download all these? Let's see if we can actually download them. Download. Download failed. Okay, let's fix that. Polymarket trading bots. MoonDev dashboard. Here she is, actually. Let's see if any of these work. I don't think any of them will work. Download all. 2 failed downloads. Okay. But let's see what the data is. The data is working. 6 hours. Start download. Download CSV. Okay, that works. Let's say we want 5 minutes for 4 weeks download. Oh, sorry. Start download. Connecting to server, it says. So we currently get an error here when I try on the backtest page when I try to download any backtests. Please go ahead and make sure that the downloads work. Thank you. Also, when I tried to, on the data tab, download BTC 5 minute 4 weeks, it says download complete, 0 data points saved. Let's see if this download CSV works. Oh, snap. I pushed the wrong button. Data portal. What the heck just happened? Also, once we sign in, we shouldn't have to sign in again. Every time I click sign in, I have to authorize, which is weird with Discord. So data here. Let's try the 5 minute 4 weeks start download. Okay, let's have her go on those. Go ahead and fix those things and then refresh it so it works on the live internet. On the live internet. Oh God, I've been away. Now you have a web dashboard. Haha. 0 to 10 success rate. I think my success rate's like I'm not the best in the world yet, so not a 10. Definitely not a 10. 7. I really don't like those Solana tokens. Look at the volume. Yeah, dude, I know the volume's dead. Solana's dead. Trenches are dead. I get that. I get that. But I think that it is the best casino out right now. I mean, obviously, perp dexes are the best, are good casino too. But I still think Solana is the best casino. And when the gamblers come back, alts are going to be on Solana. It's just better than Ethereum. It just is. I'm an Ethereum OG too. It's just like if once gamblers start gambling again, are they going to gamble and spend $30 per transaction, or are they going to gamble and spend a penny per transaction? That's the thesis. Is it going to happen again? I can't tell you that. I can't tell you that, but you know, I can have my beliefs. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please read this slowly, carefully, understand it. I'm just a guy in my bedroom stepping on the gas. I'm no better than you. You can do anything I can do, but you can probably do it better. At the same time, if you join my boot camp, you're not guaranteed to get the results I get because I don't know if you can work harder than me. I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude. Thank you. All right, I gotta put this back up though before she shows my API keys. Nah, that's all good. I'll come back. Don't worry, dog. Don't worry. Yo, what's up, Forex? How are you? Back at it. Back at it. Back locked. Good dog. Good dog. Let's see if there's anything on Bird Eye here. Just look at Bird Eye real quick while she's working. I'm always here for the energy. That's what matters to me. Thank you, bro. Much love to you. Glad you're here. Bonk RFC. Never heard of that. AU79. Wife. Retard Finder coin. AU79. Wife Jack. Like Wojak. All right, so she's working. She's working over here. She got multiple things to work on. Okay, so let's see here. Problem, permission denied when trying to write. Okay. Okay. WebSocket problem for the data tab. Okay. Discord auth persistence. User has to reauthorize every time. Solution add prompt equals none to Discord. Okay. Backend restarted with all fixes. Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and see if that's truthful or not. Let's go to MoonDev. Okay, let's say sign in. Okay, we got to probably log in again. Sign in. There we go. I didn't have to do it again. That's cool. Data here. Let's try the 15 minutes. BTC download. Okay, connecting the server. Also, when I try to collect BTC 15-minute data or anything, it needs to load the bar while it's working, because right now it goes from not loaded to fully loaded. Okay, let's download CSV if it actually got the data for us. BTC 4 minutes. You gave me an HTML, fam? You gave me an HTML? You gave me an HTML file? The helly that is, dude. The helly? What the heck? Okay. Also, when I downloaded that Bitcoin 15-minute 4-week data, it downloaded as an HTML instead of a CSV. Come on, B. Yeah, man, I'm diving into this stuff, bro. Learning from you. Appreciate it, man. Looks like I will finally be able to build my agent org in GitHub thanks to your examples. Yes, dude. That makes me so, so happy. I'm so grateful that you're here. Much love to you. Fire. Okay, so she's compacting conversation. I'm going to get some jumps in because she's compacting. And since she's compacting, I'm jumping. Oh, man, my calves is hurting. They're hurting, bro. They're hurting. They're damn doing me dirty today. Yeah, it's all my old man now, but I'm feeling good. Feeling good, feeling great. Another great day to be alive. Let's do a little 1-2. Calves hurt, so let's do a little 1-2. Okay. Yeah. What? Get that blood pumping. Let's get that blood pumping, dude. Let's get those BPMs up. Yes. Okay, I'm going faster now. Now the calves are working. Now they're working. My balls is bouncing. Come on, dude. Come on. Jump with me. Jump with me. A little halftime jump. A halftime jump. Come on, Rico. Come on, Rico. Let's go, Rico. Let's go, Wishy. Come on, Black. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump to the moon. Jump to the moon. All right, so we're working on this. Let's see what else I asked her to update here. So all fixes, okay, backtest download fixed. Oh, let's see if that works. Let's go ahead here and say download this backtest or these backtests. Okay, failed. It still failed. By the way, when I click on the backtest tab on any of the backtests, it still failed. What's up, Love Dev? We got Love Dev in here. How are you, bro? 777. He said, bro, go jump. I'm jumping right now. I'm jumping right now. Okay, let's see what else she had. Oh, she already removed it, so I can't. Okay, so F it. We got the Polymarket stuff on here. 1 day ago, though. Also, it seems that our Polymarket data is not refreshing as it's from 1 full day ago. So it makes me think that it's not running in the background anymore, or yeah, the server's not running it anymore, or it ran into an error. It might be that recursion error because we keep running into that on my desktop. So check for that. It should be running on the server, and if it's not, then see what the error is and fix it, because like I said, it's showing data from a day ago, and that's not the data we want to see. Okay, what else we got? Liquidations here. Okay, so I can see all the liquidations coming through. Are these right? No. I am just not a good front end dev, dude. But it's cool because I'm learning. He said, go jump. I'm jumping right here. I'm jumping in place. Of course I am. I'm getting fit while this AI is working for me, dude. Every day. Every day. I'm going to get my 7-pack back. Okay, now let me restart the backend to apply these changes. First, let me check the current screen sessions. Okay. Seven, 7, fam. Let's get it. She working, I'm working. She rolling, I'm rolling. She rolling, I'm rolling, we rolling. Every day. Let's go. Okay, so it looks like she's done. Okay. Let's also have her fix this. Let's go back to data here and see if she got that fixed. Let's say refresh. Okay. That's so weird, dude. www. Also, I have a super weird error. Essentially, when I hit refresh on the pages, sometimes it will go back to like an old version of this app where it doesn't actually have the, like for the example, the data portal will say data portal instead of just data. So it looks like we have an old version of the app somewhere. I don't know how this happens. So weird. Another example is it doesn't have the open, high, low, close volume data like it did in the past. And it's just weird. It's like I refresh the screen and sometimes it just jumps back to that old version of the app. Please fix this. Get rid of the old version. I don't know what's going on there, fam, but we don't want that. Moondev, sign in. with Discord. Data, 15 minutes, 4 weeks. Download CSV. What the hell, bro? And by the way, it still sends us back. Oh, that was the last prompt. That's why. What did she do in the prior one then? It's like my biggest problem with AI is I lose track of what she's doing. Improved login, added delays. Okay, enhanced download loop. Why this fixes it? Okay. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Oh yeah, let's jump it. Let's jump it. What's she going? Ah. Okay, so run this command. Why do you make me run the commands, dude? November 3rd, they haven't been updated. Okay. Moondav. Sign in. Sign in with Discord. Nice, fam. Fire, fire, fire. Looking great. Looking so good. Begin. Is cursor tripping? Bro, gotta get some 70s music up in here for him. 777, dude. 70s music. What? I never even smelt the 70s. Bro, I had cursor running MZ commands and push and merge, all that. Now this motherfucker telling me to push merger because he said he can't. Cursor tripping? Yes. She's tripping. She can do that. She can absolutely do that. All right, let's take a look at our poly market here. See what our terminal's looking like. Okay, so these no markets are interesting. Will Gemini 3.0 be released by November 15th? Well, let's see. They said no. Madura out in 2025. Probably no as well, they said. U.S. Times military engagement. Will tariffs generate 250 billion in 2025? It's also a no, they said. Will athletic club, will NYSE market circuit breaker in 2025? Interesting. These are all no markets. Getting lazy on us, man. So they say no, 96%. This one said no, it's also 96%. This one says no, it's 95%. This one says no, and it's 93%. Interesting. Okay, it looks like she's done. Okay, perfect. So purge everything. So let me provide you with clear instructions since I can't run sudo commands. You can. You can run sudo commands. So I need a purge again. Purging. When is the release date? Let's go into purge. Moondev. Let's go to DNS, they said, or cache. So overview, configuration, purge everything, please. Purge everything. Okay, it's purged. All right, dude. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Sign in with Discord. Authentication successful. Data. 15 minutes, 4 weeks, download. Download. CSV. So we do have, it does work now, I think. Let's see if it's true. Yeah, look at this. 6 weeks of, or 4 weeks of 15-minute data. Beautiful. Let's see if it works on like 1-minute data for 1 week, because that'll take forever. Download. Nice, dude. This is looking good. Beautiful. So I'm going to work on this piece by piece, day by day. Let's see if I can go back to it. Okay, you can't. Maybe I'll do that later. 1-minute data for 1 week. Seriously, what's up with her? I'm gonna put her on a break. Put her on a timeout, Forex. Watching my V5 bot grinding MNQ though. Okay, I see you. I see you, bro. Okay, so now we're fetching 1-minute data. That's beautiful. Okay, so one thing that would be awesome is if when we're downloading data, we can still move to other tabs, and when we come back to the data tab, it's still downloaded. You know, because sometimes 1-minute data might take 5-10 minutes. So if I could still move to other tabs, that'd be awesome. Come back and it's still downloading. Let's have that. Okay, so let's say download data. So this is 1-minute data for 1 week. 1029. That looks about right. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. So we have all data available for all of these cryptos. Harvest Finance. What the hell? Who put that there? I didn't put that there. Anyways, Polymarket. Let's go check this out. 1 day ago. Still. Okay. So we need to work on that a bit. Liquidations here. This also needs to be worked on just a bit. Back test. Let's see if these download now. Download failed. Download failed. We're also still having a problem with downloading our back tests here. So it says download failed in the top right when I click on download one of them. But the data works, which is nice. Liquidations, semi-working. Back test. They're here. The stats are here, which is good. EV, crazy. Okay, sick, fam. Well, I'll be back. Automate your trading so you can remove all emotions and all in-game decisions. I totally up and down and trying to kind of guess which way the charts are going to go, and you make some money, you lose some money. But the things that really hurt when you're in a trade for so long, you just keep staring at it and you're watching it go against you, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna stay up a little bit longer, and then you get liquidated because you're using too much leverage. You're a human being. It's not your fault at all, dude. We're built to be beautiful human beings with emotions. And if you've ever gotten in a fight with a friend or a spouse or whatever, you know that when your emotions hit, you cannot think clearly. So why do we trade by hand when we're using, our life savings to trade? And we know for a fact when emotions hit, you cannot think logically. And that's directly from a Stanford professor. So I went ahead and I started to show my whole algo trading process step by step live on YouTube every single day. And what came from that is I got really good at algo trading, even though I did not know how to code when I first got started. So everybody was like, Moondev, please build a boot camp or some way to teach this in short, concise videos, because your lives, they're awesome, but you're in the middle of a project every single day. And I apologize for that. But in order for me to chase this guy who ran up a net worth of $31 billion, his name is Jim Simons, and in order for me to keep chasing him, I can't just sit here and make all of my YouTube lives teaching segment, right? So what I did is I put everything into a boot camp with short, concise videos that show you step by step how to automate your trading. Even if you don't know how to code, you can remove all of your emotions and automate your trading. So for the rest of your life, anytime you have a trading idea, I'll show you how to backtest it and see, does it work in the past?
If it works in the past, well, it's much more likely to work in the future. And then if it works in the past, you can build it into a small bot. I show you how to build a bot. I show you how to code. I show you how to backtest. I show you how to use AI. I pay for your AI. All of the latest models, I continue to update. You get free AI. In the next 15 days, I will hold your hand step by step in the process of automating your trading, so you never have to click those buttons again. You